So this is the Google Cloud. Okay, how you can log in the Google Cloud? Just go to this tab, type Google Cloud Console. Once you type Google Cloud Console, you have to create an account. Okay, it's not the free one. Free one in the sense you have to register this Google Cloud. It will give you 90 days free access. Once the free access is over, they will going to charge you. Okay, so you can see just like here. So you can see these are the several services are there. Okay, SQL, App Engine, resources, storage, all these things are there, and you just have to log in it with a Gmail ID. After creating an account only you will able to do that. I will going to explain you how you can create an account, but you have to create an account with the credit card or the debit card which is having an international payment system. Now the question is, why do we need that? uh, See, the Google wants authentication, so they want your credit card or debit card detail to be entered there so that you can access freely 90 days. For 90 days they will not going to charge you or ask you for any money. Once 90 days over, if you still want to continue, then they will ask you whether you want to continue, then you have to pay the amount. If you don't want to continue, you can discontinue the services. So this free service why they are giving, so that you can trial it. It was a trial basis. On those 90 days, there are some of the service they will give you limited access. They will not give you a complete access. In 90 days they will give you a limited access. Limited access in the sense you can save some data, you can use, you can deploy one application, you can create at least 3 projects. These are my project name that I deploy here. Okay. Once you are done, then 90 days as it over, they will going to send a mail to you, that the email ID that you have registered here. Based on your requirement only, you can either decide whether you want to continue, and it is same for all the cloud. Even in Amazon cloud also, if you check Azure cloud, IBM cloud, Oracle cloud, all are having the same. In fact, Azure Cloud give only 1 month access. AWS also they give you 1 month access, but this GCP they give you 3 month free access. Once 90 day over, they will going to send a mail. Then you can use the, then you can decide whether you want to continue or what. But this is completely free for 90 days. But in order to get this, you have to register, and I will going to explain you all those steps. Like suppose if you want to check for storage, just type storage, cloud storage. You can see here this is a bucket, you can save a data here. Okay, like here I have saved the data. You can see I have saved data here. Okay, this is my data. You can download, this is video. You can save as many as video here based on the requirement. Okay, how you can create it, this all we will going to see it. This is one storage service, compute. In this compute engine you can process your data, you can run your application here. Let it be upload. See, this is the compute application where you can create this instance. Instance means you can create virtual box, a kind of a system where you can run your application. Is it clear to you, all of you? Any question that you want to ask? We deploy complete project here only. We create a project. How do we create a project? Just click on this new project. Once you click on this new project, you have to give the name here and click on this create. You can give any name here, you can change the name. So in a free account you can create 23 projects. In a free account you can create as 23 projects, but once you have a like a, if you want to, but in a company when we use it, we in company we use paid account, so we can create as many as project here. So you can give any project name, give a name. Once your project is created here, then inside that project you will start working. What kind of work you will start? You will save the data, You can run the code. How you can run the code, that also I can show you. How many of you have run notebook? How many of you have no notebook, Jupyter notebook, Python code you might have run? Do you know about Jupyter notebook? Jupyter, you all are in which semester? So you haven't not Python is not there in your syllabus. So okay. So where you have run that Python application? Okay. Do you know Google Colab? Okay. This Google Colab is one of the Google service. There you can run your application means code. Okay. Let me show you how you can do that. This is a notebook we call as notebook which run on a Google Cloud. Now, if you want to print any variable, how you print that? Can you tell me? Do you remember which command we use to print in Python? Okay, great. This is I'm running on the cloud. It will take some time because it is internet based. So based on your internet speed, it will take some time. See, it is printing right. What you have done in Python, I don't know whether you might have run the code on a notepad file or any IDE, VS Code or any IDE that PyCharm, Spider that you have used. Okay. So whatever you have run in a PyCharm, same thing you can do it here also. You can run line by line code and see there is a no constraint here. This is providing you both RAM and disk. See how many RAM it is providing you? Almost 12.69 GB RAM. We normally have a 4 GB or 8 GB RAM in our system. It is providing around 13 GB of RAM and hard disk also 107. That hard disk 107 just for this Python code, not for the whole application. Just for to run this Python code, it is giving you 107 GB. So you can just think it how fast it will. The reason why it is taking time because of having internet speed. But when you create a project and run here, it will run more faster here. I usually create many application on my like machine learning projects. Let me open and show you. Is machine learning was there in your syllabus? Machine learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning was there. Okay. Yeah, no issue. Machine learning and artificial intelligence project also you can run on this Google Cloud, Google Colab service. You can see I have written the code and I have done the prediction part. AI based project we have developed. We are going to do the similar project here. We are going to run machine learning project. I will going to tell you machine learning project and web development website project how you can deploy on a Google Cloud and Python project, Java project. We will see all those on this syllabus with the Google Cloud. And I will explain you how you can create an account on this Google Cloud. Okay, these all service you can use it. Okay, billing is one part that will allow to enable billing. Billing means whenever company create a project, they use this project for 3 months. In every company, we have a cycle of the developing a project for 3 months. We develop a project. After the 3 months, whoever the vendor is, whether it is Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, or Azure, they send a billing to us. Means how many storage we use, how many computing power our project need, right? Arogya Setu app, as I given you example, that is also deploy on a AWS cloud, and it is running continuously, right? Whatever the data of COVID data, it is uploaded in the storage, and that is available to you on your application. So this is the complete Google Cloud